Okay, making or finding equivalent fractions is a skill that we'll use when we are simplifying fractions, but also when we are finding common denominators so that we can add and subtract. So the rule for finding an equivalent fraction or making an equivalent fraction is whatever you do to the numerator, you must do to the denominator. So if we wanted to make the digits or the integers larger while we are working with these fractions, we could say 6, this is another symbol for times, 6 times 2 and 8 times 2. And that's going to give me another fraction that is equivalent. So 6 times 2 is 12, and 8 times 2 is 16. So 6/8 is equivalent. Let me get rid of some of this. 6/8 is equivalent to 12/16. Now, if I went the other way, remember we simplifying, we're trying to get it smaller. So I multiplied by 2, and that gave me a larger fraction. Let's see if I can divide by 2 to get a smaller fraction. Well, that doesn't make sense if I do that. So I'm going to write beside it now, and we'll just carry our response over to the other side. So if I say 6 divided by 2, and I'm going to put this answer over here. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And whatever I did to the numerator, I must do to the denominator. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So what that means is 6/8 is the same as or equivalent to 12/16. And 12/16 and 6/8 are equivalent to 3/4. Now we could go on and on and on, making lots of equivalent fractions by multiplying or dividing. The important thing is that we remember that the rule is whatever we do to the bottom or the denominator, we must do to the top or the numerator. Okay, go ahead and finish this section.